We are going to be replacing this wonderful tiled shower. Let some of the work in here speak for itself. For some reason, they didn't get their wall depth right, so none of it is sitting on the tub deck like it's supposed to be. None of the grout joints stay lined up. Corners are all out of whack. Niche is definitely a masterpiece. Can't imagine why they would want to have us come in here and replace it. The plan is to take the tile off the tub deck there, take the beadboard off. We're going to tile on top of the base trim to that wall. We're going to tile this outside corner here all the way up to the ceiling this time. We're going to drop our tile onto the tub deck as it should be. So that's going to take a little bit of effort. This niche is going to get replaced with a vertical stacked niche. Everything is going to be trimmed out with black metal. And it's going to be white 4x16 tile. So we'll see if we can do a better job than this one. So be sure to stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the subscribe button. Remember to ring the bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Stick around and check out the next suggested video coming up after this clip. Thanks for watching.